What's good, BF fam? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. Today we're going to do a Cajun shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Super flavorful. It's a nice added touch to your normal fettuccine Alfredo. But hey guys, all you got to do is sit back and relax and enjoy the video. But if you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some Cajun shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Alright, the supporting cast is pretty simple. We got our protein. I got my shrimp cleaned. Already, it's a pre-cooked shrimp I got from the store. We got our fettuccine noodles. We got one onion cut up. Some just regular old bell mushrooms. Some cream cheese. A stick of butter. Seasonings. I got some Danos, some paprika. I wish I had smoked. I don't have any smoked. Slap your mama. Some salt and pepper to taste. Some Parmesan. I choose the grated Parmesan opposed to the shredded. It seems to melt a little bit better for me. Some some whipping cream and minced garlic. That's really all there is to it. It's a simple dish, but super, super, super flavorful. So let's get started putting it together. Alright, first things first, I got my butter in my pan melting down. I already put my fettuccine noodles on. Cook those to a nice al dente. But we're going to cook those up. We're going to wait for this butter to melt down. It's a half a stick of butter. Alright, and then we're going to add a little flavor, our onions, and some garlic after a second. So 1 second, I'll be right back once this melts down. Alright, the butter's melted down. We're going to add our onion to it. Going to saute these down nice in the butter. I may grab a little bit more butter than what I got because these onions soak up a little bit of butter. But we're going to saute these down nice. And we'll add our garlic to this, but we're going to wait for a minute. Garlic burns easy, so we don't want to do that. The onion is sauteing nicely. It's nice and translucent now. We're going to add about a little bit more than a teaspoon of minced garlic to the mixture. We're going to stir that up for just about a minute, just so it gets fragrant. I can smell it now. I can smell it now. Be careful and watch your fettuccine as you're cooking. Fettuccine's almost there. Give it another 30 seconds, a minute. It'll be right where it needs to be. Alright, so we're going to add our cream cheese to this. It's best to leave your cream cheese out. Let it get room temperature. It melts a little bit easier. You don't want it to be cold. With that cream cheese, I only use Philadelphia cream cheese. Nothing else. Alright, we're going to let that melt. I'm going to take my pasta over and drain it real quick. So the cream cheese is melted down nicely. That's the consistency you want. But I'm going to add a little bit more butter to it. Let that melt down. We're going to add our sauce. Our cream to it. Butter's melted again, so we're going to add our heavy cream to it. And that is 1 pint right there. 1 pint of heavy cream. I don't think I'll need much more than that. Alright, we're going to stir this up a little bit. Give it a little whisk. Let all that cream cheese and cream get melted nice and hot. Oh, we got our shrimp over here. We're going to season these up. Real simple seasoning. A little salt. A little black pepper. We got our Danos coming into the mix. paprika. Like I said, smoked is probably better. And we got some Slap Your Mama. We're gonna mix these up by hand. Oh yeah, look at that. Ah, get it all coated. Perfect. We're gonna set these aside. Go get our pan ready, nice and hot. Our sauce is melted down nicely. We're gonna add our little bit of Parmesan cheese. Gonna whisk that in. And just add just a tad bit more. There we go. Alright, I'm going to give this a little taste. I know I'm going to add some salt and pepper to it. I want to see what it tastes like. Yep, there we go. Not too much salt, but we are going to add some pepper. Matter of fact, I don't think I'm going to add any salt to it. Some black pepper. Get that mixed in there. Alright, we're going to let that continue to cook and get that cheese melted down just a little bit. Alright, we got our butter melted for our shrimp. And I'm going to add about a teaspoon of garlic to it. Ah, yeah, there we go. Alright, we're going to add our shrimp to it here. Let that cook for just a few minutes. Doesn't take long. Not at all. Alfredo sauce cooking along there. We're going to add our mushrooms to it. Now, keep in mind, mushrooms are optional. I just like them in there. So we got our mushrooms in, and we're going to introduce our pasta to the sauce now. Get that mixed up real nice. I might add just a little bit more heavy cream to it. Not much. Just a tad bit more. Alright, just about a little bit more heavy cream. Not a whole lot. Ooh, it's looking good, looking good. Turn my heat up just a little bit. Oh yeah, that's about the right consistency right there. Let me get my tasting spoon. A little taste. Yep. There we go. Right on point. Alright, we got our shrimp here. Cooking away. Ooh, smells good too. Alrighty guys. I'm going to take this shrimp and add it right to the fettuccine. I'm not going to take all the liquid. I'm going to reserve a little bit of that just to see what color we're looking at over here. Alright, we're going to mix this up real good. Ah, yes, looking good, looking good. Alright, we're going to pour just a little bit of the butter mixture from the shrimp in there. Ah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, we're going to let that cook. And I'm going to plate this up for you. Give me a few minutes. Cajun shrimp, fettuccine Alfredo. I got a little broccoli I serve with it. But hey guys, it's a real quick, easy meal. Perfect for a weeknight. Hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Here you go. Simple Cajun shrimp fettuccine Alfredo. Simple meal, super flavorful. Do it right here at home. Hey, I got a little broccoli I serve with it. But hey guys, I'm gonna get that bite. Oh yeah. Get a little shrimp with it. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, just go down there, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.